Hey guys! Welcome to Next Gen Motors, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, tech insights, and in-depth looks at upcoming automotive legends. Before we jump into today's exciting feature, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment to stay updated with everything hot in the world of performance cars. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mercedes AMG GT, a next-level sports machine that continues to push the boundaries of engineering and design in the luxury performance segment. Mercedes has once again set the bar high with the 2026 AMG GT, refining its winning formula with even more power, sharper handling, and bold aesthetics. This model arrives with a striking evolution in design. The sleek body lines, aggressive front grille, widened stance, and dynamic LED lighting signal its performance intent while keeping that unmistakable AMG DNA. The long hood and short rear deck contribute to its balanced proportions, enhancing both aerodynamic efficiency and classic sports car appeal. Under the hood, the 2026 AMG GT packs a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, continuing Mercedes-AMG's legacy of raw performance and precision. The powertrain is expected to deliver over 600 horsepower, rocketing the car from 0 to 60 in about 3.2 seconds. A newly tuned 9-speed automatic transmission ensures lightning-fast shifts, and power is delivered to all four wheels thanks to the new 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, a significant update from previous rear-wheel drive models. Inside, the cabin reflects a perfect blend of sportiness and luxury. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and cutting-edge tech features dominate the interior space. The 2026 AMG GT features the latest MBUX infotainment system with dual high-definition displays and intuitive touch controls. Advanced voice command, smartphone integration, and a high-end Burmester sound system come standard, offering both comfort and functionality at your fingertips. Sport bucket seats, an AMG-specific steering wheel, and a digital driver display tailored for performance metrics make it a true driver's environment. Handling and driving dynamics are a major highlight of the new AMG GT, thanks to adaptive suspension, active aerodynamics, and performance braking systems. The car hugs corners with confidence and stability. Driving modes allow for customization of ride feel, throttle response, steering weight, and exhaust tone, giving drivers the freedom to choose between refined cruising and aggressive track-ready settings. Safety and tech innovations are also not left behind. The new AMG GT includes a suite of driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, active brake assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Mercedes continues to blend innovation with performance, making the 2026 AMG GT not only thrilling but also intelligent and safe. This model is more than just a luxury sports car, it's a technological marvel.